back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a minute since I filmed anything. I took a bit of a break. I really didn't film anything for September. I just really wasn't feeling it. I feel like I had to do a bit of a reset. I've had some personal things that I've had to handle, and I just put YouTube on the back burner. Since I do this just for fun and to share with you guys what I received in my subscription boxes. But there's been so many changes in the subscription box world that I am definitely gonna film every single box that I get in October, starting with my Beautyfix box by Dermstore. This is always the first box I get for the month. Like they literally bill me on the 1st and they ship it out on the 1st. It's just really amazing how fast this comes. Right now it is the 5th, I believe, October 5th when I'm filming this. So I got this extremely quick. Now they did change the design of the box. If you go back in my videos, you can see the box was very different. I like this one a lot better. It's just like sleek and simple. Now, if you don't know, Beautyfix box is $24.95 a month, and you get mainly skincare in this box, some hair care, occasional makeup, but not much. The value is usually pretty high. I've been on the fence with them lately, honestly. I just feel like there's a lot of repeat items. A lot of the boxes I receive, I am giving it till the end of the year, and I will decide on if I'm gonna cancel them or not. If you wanna purchase a one-time box for Beautyfix, then you can for $34.95, and that's without committing to a subscription. And when you open up the box, you have your pamphlet on the top. Definitely a little different than usual. On the back though, it does give you a coupon code, because if you want to purchase the full-size products, you can use the code BFClean, save up to 20% off, because they do give you a mix of full size and travel size and really sometimes sample size items in here, which I really don't always like because some of the sizes are small. The theme of the month is called a clean routine. First product in here, which honestly, it is not my favorite. This actually hurts so bad when I try using this. This is from Boscia, and it is the Illuminizing Black Charcoal Mask. Now, this is full size, valued at $34, so it is definitely a pricey peel-off mask. It's 2.8 ounces. It says, peel-off mask uses activated charcoal to remove oil and impurities from skin. So it's supposed to be a really good mask for, you know, clarifying, minimizing the appearance of pores, removing dirt and impurities, and absorb excess oil. But the thing is, I had this as a sample size. Actually, I had 2 of them, and I tried it a couple times, and every single time I tried this, it hurt so bad pulling it off my skin. And I know you should not be tugging at your skin like that, because that's what's going to cause all those premature wrinkles and just, you know, it's not good to tug on your skin like that. This is like the star item of the box, and unfortunately, it's not for me. The next thing, which is, as always, Briogeo, and as much as I love this brand, they put it in too many boxes and it's always the same exact product. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Condition and Mask. I'm just tired of getting this. If it was like a different Briogeo product, that I would feel a little bit better, but I feel like this is like a filler product. Like we don't know what else to put in this box, so let's put this deep conditioner mask in here. And it is always the 1 fluid ounce size. So if you notice, there's like all this little black like dust almost on it, and it's so annoying. The only thing I don't like that Beautyfix did is they have all this black packing string that they put in the box, and it literally sheds dust all over the products, and it's so annoying. You can purchase the 8 ounce size for $36. Okay, so the next product in here, which I absolutely love, I have the full size of this. This is from Caudalie, and it's the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. There's literally like nothing in here though. You know, this packaging really does fool you because it's a really nice size package. You know, the full size of this is $79, and I do actually have the full size, which is 1 ounce, and I received it as a free gift when you signed up for an Allure box. So I actually ended up getting the full size for free, but I had a travel size of this and I fell in love with it. It uses natural grapevine compounds to brighten an even skin tone. I love it. I just like the way it, what it does to my skin. So I was happy to see this, but this packaging is so deceitful. There's only 0.33 fluid ounces in here, and I know it's a pricey product, but give us a smaller package then if you're gonna give us only 0.33 fluid ounces. Give us like a smaller thing, because this definitely feels empty. Put it up to the light and it's up to here. So I don't understand this tube. So the next thing here is from Tula, and I've actually been really into Tula skincare lately. I actually have the full size of this. This is the Purifying Face Cleanser, and it's infused with probiotics that naturally cleanse and boost skin's immunity. It's a really nice cleanser. I have the full size, and I think I had gotten it from a FabFitFun, I think. I'm 90% sure it was from a FabFitFun, which I canceled for fall, so I must have gotten it in the summer box. But this is a really nice cleanser. I'm using the full size now. I had a sample size of this too, which is in my shower, so I don't have to like bring face washes in and out. So I keep the sample of this in the shower, and I'm using the full size. So I like having another one of these. This is a 1 fluid ounce size. I love when cleansers foam up, but they don't tighten your skin. So I really, really enjoy this. I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. It's not too expensive. I mean, the 6.7 ounce size is $28. When I saw this, I literally thought this was for the hair on your head. This is called fur oil. I had no idea what this was for until I read that right there. It does say it has sage and tea tree oils, which softens body hair while clearing pores for fewer ingrowns. This is a 3 milliliter size, so it's a 0.1 fluid ounce size. You can purchase the 2.5 ounce for $46, so it's really pricey. So this, I really thought this was a perfume. It is supposed to help with ingrown hairs. I really thought that the scent was gonna be completely like overpowering, but it's not. It's actually very light and fresh. You could use this everywhere. It's like underarms, chest, legs, face, not just like down there. You can use it anywhere on your body. It says apply on clean hair and skin for best results, use daily. The next thing in here is nothing new. We've actually gotten this, I think, in a Beautyfix. I don't like the way this smells. I mean, it stinks in my opinion. This is the Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk. It absorbs scalp oil while nourishing oat milk softens and smooths hair. This is actually worth $10. They have this on the Dermstore website on sale for $10. So you can get, you know, full size that is more expensive, which is bigger, but this 1 ounce size is $10. And not for nothing, $10 for this, I think it's a ripoff. So, I mean, I would never spend $10 on this little friggin' can. I mean, I guess it's good for traveling, but if I'm gonna travel and I don't have a travel dry shampoo, I will buy a cheap one if it's just for vacation. The second to last thing was really interesting. This is another new thing that I've never tried, never heard of. Again, it has all that black dust all over it. But this is from a brand called Mio, and it's the Skin Tight Tightening Body Serum. It's a retexturizing serum with natural botanicals to target sagging skin. So this is, of course, for your body. I've never seen a product like this work, unfortunately. Now this is only 1 fluid ounce, so I mean, you really need to use things like this consistently if there is going to be any results at all. And the 3.4 ounce size is $56. So I don't know, it got really good reviews on the Dermstore site. It says, use once a day for 30 days on areas you want to lift and tone. Continue to use 3 to 4 times a week to maintain results. So you see, this is not gonna be able to be used once a day for 30 days. I'm definitely gonna try it on select areas. Like I'll probably do it on like my butt, hip area around there and see if there are any results. And then the last but not least, which I was actually pretty excited about, this is another full-size product. It's from the brand called 100% Pure. This is actually valued at $29 and it's 1 fluid ounce. It's the Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream. It depuffs and diminishes dark circles with caffeine-rich green tea and coffee. I do really like the packaging that it comes in. And this is what the bottle looks like. And it says here, it's anti-inflammatory, caffeine-rich green tea and coffee depuffs while increasing circulation to brighten dark circles. Concentrated with potent anti-aging vitamins, antioxidants, and nourishing rosehip oil to make eye area look more awake and more youthful. Truly 100% pure. This is something that will last you so long because you just need the tiniest amount. Right, guys, so that is everything in my Beautyfix box. It's really hard for me to give up Beautyfix because I really like the variety of products. Was this worth $25 to me? I mean, value-wise, yes, but products-wise, no. I just feel like that this box was kind of just like thrown together. I don't feel like there's any rhyme or reason. I like when they usually have a theme. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching and for your support. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.